I've used Windows since Windows 98, XP, 7, Vista, 8, 8.1, 10, and 11. And it takes 20 years of Windows user decided to switch to macOS. It is just like a veteran FPS gamer trying a new game that is not an FPS game at all. And that's it. Today, I will show you my first impression and experience for about 2 weeks with my new MacBook, and we'll see what's special about this and is it capable to do anything? Before we get straight to the key points, let's look at the story behind this purchase. It all started when my laptop can no longer handle heavy tasks, such as smart masking, color grading, data, or any editing workflow. I even can use playback to preview my work. So, for the past 2 months, I decided to find a new laptop that can handle my tasks, especially for work. For gaming, the only game that I usually play still runs smoothly on my Windows laptop. So, I decided to buy a MacBook as most people said it's good for work, great battery life, lightweight, and it's not using Windows. So, let's give it a shot. The first thing that I noticed when I was unpacking, of course, the design, build quality, and the experience unboxing itself. I choose sky blue color because it looks so elegant and plain silver and not fingerprint magnet. As soon as I open the MacBook, the display, the build, the trackpad feels amazing. I also noticed the animation is way smoother and really great. Also, the dark mode on macOS is way more consistent than Windows. This also runs faster than my old laptop. Opening Davinci on my old laptop took solving Rubik's Cube under 1 minute, but in this device, only took less than 15 seconds. When it comes to editing, it's seamless. I barely editing only just using a trackpad, and that was my first time, and I didn't feel hesitate without a mouse. Seriously, the trackpad on Mac is a game changer, especially when it comes to productivity and simplicity to bring it everywhere. Of course, you need to adapt, but as soon as you learn, your workflow become more efficient, and especially if you dive deep about shortcut on Mac, it really helps. Alright, let's talk about performance. When it comes to like work, such as browsing multiple tabs, writing, playing music at the same time, everything is going very smoothly. No noise from this device because it has no fan. But what about the heat? Still nothing. So let's try to another test. This is a 4K timeline, no proxy, and still runs seamlessly. No lag, no frame, and look at it. Let's put some color grade and make it heavier. Still works just fine. Scribing still smooth. Even on a PC with high spec, you rarely get this performance. 5 minutes video for grading plus screen, 4K, Apple ProRes, and let's see how it goes. Alright, we got about 12 minutes already. It's not that great, but as we know that this is 4K and it's full color grading, it's really great and really fast. This device is very promising when it comes to creative workflow or normal work. But what about gaming? I know, it's a Mac, but we gotta give some test drive. So I just installed a light game called Mini Model Race. We will play on battery because this is not like other laptop with this power brick to increase the performance. 30 minutes of playing, I can feel the heat. Even though the game runs pretty smooth, but I think this device can hold more than 1 hour without throttling. I also saw someone was playing Cyberpunk and run pretty smooth on Mac Mini. So yeah, this can run games, but absolutely not for game. And what about YouTube livestream? I already tried to livestream on this device. It's good, because it has better Wi-Fi signal than any other Windows laptop out there. However, this have the same problem about the heat, even though I was streaming just for 15 minutes. In a nutshell, with this for? For content creator, professional worker, programmer, businessman, college student, video editor, or any creative field. And that's all for this content. I'll see you in the other content. Assalamualaikum.